Hey guys, so I know that as in your childhood, you probably remember this, playing Ratchet and Clank. So here's a spot that you get a titanium bolt. Problem is, as a kid, you probably wonder, how the hell do I get past this fence? Well, obviously, the developers didn't want you to get through here. So I'm going to show you a quick way. Might take a few tries, so don't mind little cuts. Not that way. What you want to do is sit yourself right in this little gully, this little space over here. Get out your mini turret glove, turn around, and very carefully place some mines, some turrets right here. Eventually you'll fall through this wall right here. You'll go right through it, and then you'll be on the other side. This might take a few tries, like I said. Okay, so after many tries, I finally succeeded. As you can see, my turret mine was just there. Just gotta turn around carefully, go out this way, or fall. So I'll have to do this again. Lovely. Okay, so round 2. Yeah, I managed. There is a very slight area right here where it just opens right up when you put a mine turret. It's very hard to find. If it takes you too long to find it, you're just doing it wrong. Don't get mad. You'll eventually get it. It's just finding the right place to put it. I can't describe where to put it. But anyways, this is what you can just enjoy it from my video. This whole blue path is completely traversable. You can go over there. This is dead. You can go. That'll take you out. You'll fall right through. Here's my bouncer. You just go right through that. Basically, all this is solid except for the gravel over here. Whatever looks like this. This whole area is traversable. The ground is traversable. You can even jump to that little area over there. Don't bother with this. You'll fall through it. Even if the bouncer says you can, you really can't. I've tried and fell right through. You can go ahead and jump on that. That's all that's solid. Anytime you touch this gravel area, you'll just fall through. So yeah, this is what's beyond the gate. So if you can't get it, just enjoy my little tour back here. That just goes into Abyss. Yeah, I'll go ahead and show you, there's another video here on YouTube that shows you how to get to the house, the secret house. You can actually walk on this, even though I just jumped through it. But there's an easier way to get there than he showed. And it's really quite simple. Probably won't be able to do it right now, but this wall right here, you can go right through it, and then there's the house. You just need a little bit of patience, and then you'll get it too. yeah, that's going for too much, I guess. But yeah, and then I just died. Also, it always helps to get the checkpoint over here near the Gadgetron, and that will let you continuously die and end up back here, and then also you know, continue on with trying to get this over here. I really don't think I'm gonna get it in the video, but that's okay. I'll try anyways. I did do it. It was really easy. I mean, again, there's nothing wrong with the way his version, what he did, but I was just on a roll, and I was just getting really easy access, and now I can't seem to get any. Again, this is actually the Ratchet and Clank HD Collections Edition, so they did not fix these. Whatever you're seeing is still able to do, despite the HD. There we are. I did it. Proof. We are now at the house. Anything past, I'll show you right now. Right there. You cannot go. So pretty much there's a very small area to enjoy. Not very much fun, but nonetheless, it's something. But yeah. What really makes me curious is the house, the upstairs to this house. That looks fun. Kind of reminds me of the good old days of the, and there we are. Okay guys, well, that's basically my little Ratchet and Clank upload, so hope you guys do end up watching this. Check out my channel for energy drink reviews. I do them as well. That's what I'm most known for. So I just did this video to join the Glitchville on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Peace out.